Okay, so this next method is even easier than a push method. It's pretty much straightforward. It is called pop method, pop, as you wish. We will work this time with arrays of users. We have Tim, John, and Chloe as user. So if I console log those users, we will see our 3 users in the console. And what pop method will do, basically it will pop out the last user inside of our array. That will be Chloe in this exact example. So users.pop, and that is all we need to do. So if I refresh the page, now the log will have just Tim and John. And if we add one more here, like Anthony, and we refresh the page, you see that we have Tim, John, Chloe, but there is no Anthony as it is popped out. You could say like deleted.